We're taking a trip today in the Four Peaks Wilderness area.
But there is a catch. I have to put together this Leo Jaymz kit and make it playable.
And she's got to do it before we get all the way up there.
Did you bring the tools?
I brought some tools, but you're going to have to win them.
Win them?
Yeah, make you answer some guitar trivia questions, some easy and some hard ones. If you get them right, we'll say 2 out of 3. You can win maybe a tool that'll make it a little easier to put together. Otherwise, you might be using your fingers.
Oh boy.
Let's get to the unboxing.
Okay.
Kind of got some shading here. Let me see if I can get here and show everybody the color a little better. Pull that out in the sunlight if you would. I'm having a hard time seeing all that inside the... Yeah, that is very pretty. Very pretty neck. All right. And it already comes pick guard preloaded.
Oh, so I don't have to do any soldering?
No, no soldering. This is all going to be connect stuff and just screw stuff together. We honestly should only need just a couple of tools.
Mm-hmm. All right, what am I working with?
You are going to work with duct tape, which is a given, and this pocket knife.
Oh, Lordy. That
is all the tools you're going to have to build this unless you win them.
Just a multi-tool?
It's a multi-tool. You got a knife. You got any corks you got to unscrew?
No. I got a screwdriver on here at least. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Have fun.
Thanks.
All right, we've got your workspace.
Yep.
You ready to do this?
I am.
You got your pocket knife ready?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Right in my empty tool belt.
Well, as you win tools, maybe you can start filling that little tool belt up.
Okay. I'm gonna see if this screwdriver will even work for the tiny things. See where I need to start.
Mm-hmm.
Not very good. Okay. I'm gonna start with the body.
I know painting is really what takes us the most time when it comes to the guitar, so I was like, you know what? I bet if we were in the shop, this thing would take us 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So what do we do to try to make it fun? Take it on a road trip. And the fun part is to not get it banged up. That's why I remember the guitar case.
My friend's got a girlfriend and he hates that bitch. He tells me every day. He says, man, I really gotta lose my chick in the worst kind of way.
Come on.
Okay. Here we are.
Fuck's sake.
Nice spot.
Fuck's sake. Let's see if I can get a single screw in with this goddamn hokey thing. This is this is silly. What's my trivia question?
Okay.
Is my screwdriver the first tool I can earn?
It is a #1 screwdriver. Let me find it because things have shifted. It should help. Do you see it? Do you see it?
All right.
Okay.
I'm ready one for that.
All right.
This is silly.
I'm going to give you an easy one to start out with, but you got to get 2 out of 3 here. So let me turn this off so everybody can hear us.
Okay.
Put this little bad boy in park. Okay. Very easy. What are the 6 standard strings tuned to from lowest to highest pitch?
It is lowest to highest.
Mm-hmm.
E, A, D, G, B, E.
Nice. I would have taken Eddie 8 Dynamite Goodbye Eddie. That's how I always remember it. All right, another one. What is the sound hole in the middle of an acoustic guitar called? What is the round hole in the middle of an acoustic guitar?
You gave that one to me.
I know. I read it wrong.
Sound hole. It's the sound hole. I would have known that
well,
one.
here's the bonus one, just to see if you get it, because you've already got the 2 out of 3 because I screwed up. What do guitarists often call a whammy bar?
Oh. Tremolo? Tremolo? That's a tough
You got
one.
it. It's tremolo.
Tremolo.
Technically, that is an incorrect term. I think it was either Fender or the other Leo that did it. It's actually supposed to be vibrato, because it changes the pitch versus the volume.
You didn't bring my handy dandy electric screwdriver?
No.
You're really trying to make this a challenge for me, aren't you?
1 second. Let me get myself moving here real quick.
No, please take your time.
Sport mode.
He sits on her ass, he works his hands to the bone to give her money every payday. But she wants more dinero just to stay at home. Well, my friend, you gotta say, I won't pay ya, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job? Say no way, yeah, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job? I guess all his money, well, it isn't enough to keep a bill collectors at bay. I guess all his money, well, it isn't enough, 'cause that girl's got expensive taste. I won't pay ya, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job? Say no way, yeah, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job?
Because this screwdriver is being a pain in the ass. I cannot tighten these down all the way.
Yeah, you probably need a number 2 to really get that going. So, it's guitar trivia time. From the intermediate level of guitar trivia,
Okay.
according to ChatGPT. Hold on, gotta go over the slump here. All right, 3 answers. You must get at least 2 in order to win a stubby number 2 Phillips screwdriver, or we're going with that one, and/or loose screws. What famous guitarist is known for playing a white Fender Stratocaster and setting his guitar on fire?
Oh, Jimi Hendrix. That was an easy
Believe it
one.
or not, they said that was intermediate. You know.
What?
Yeah. What does the acronym PRS stand for?
PR.
We've been using their necks. And you've heard me say PRS neck a lot, but I don't think I've ever actually said who it is. It's a dude's name.
Probably Paul.
Ooh.
I don't know.
It was Paul Reed Smith.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta get this next one or it's, I don't know. You're gonna screw up your fingernails. All right. Let's see. Here we go. Which guitar model was famously played by Slash of Guns N' Roses?
The Gibson Les Paul.
Well, I'll go with Les Paul.
Les Paul?
I'll go with Les Paul. You're close
Gibson
enough.
Les Paul?
Les Paul.
Please give me my screwdriver.
Good luck with it.
My hand, I'm gonna have a callus from this shit.
Well, I guess it ain't easy doing nothing at all. Oh yeah. But hey man, free rides just don't come along every day. Let me tell you about my other friend now. My friend's got a boyfriend and she hates that dick. She tells me every day he wants more dinero just to stay at home. Well, my friend, you gotta say, I won't pay ya, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job? Say no way, yeah, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job? I won't give you no money, I always pay. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job? Say no way, yeah, no way. Nah, nah, why don't you get a job?
Shade. Okay. The car has stopped. You must stop all work and cease,
No.
or you will be disqualified and have to walk home. That counts. You're good.
Because I just got it in the hole. You know what I used?
What?
The corkscrew.
Hey, all right. MacGyver that bitch.
I laughed at this motherfucker when you handed it to me. Like, there's no way, but I am so grateful for it now. I screwed that spring into place with a corkscrew. Did you bring a wrench or a socket for these nuts on here, boss?
I happen to have a 10mm wrench. Oh, no. You got to answer a question, trivia question. The one little item, I'm going to make it one question, but it's at the intermediate level according to ChatGPT.
Okay.
Are you ready, ma'am?
I'm ready.
Who invented a guitar that they named the Log?
Oh,
We talked about this months ago.
Les Paul.
You got it.
Give me that 30.
Let's hope that's the right wrench.
You better have checked that before we left.
When I die and I lay me to rest, gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay me down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky, going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best.
Attach the net to the dog.
Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. Gotta have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, He's gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky. Recommend you to the spirit in the sky. That's where you're gonna go when you die. When you die and they lay you to rest, you're gonna go to the place that's the best.
I'm honestly proud of myself. I didn't think I was going to get through it.
Your patience was tested, is
For
all I
sure.
can say.
For
So,
sure. I wanted to chuck these strings out the goddamn window.
So I don't know how many hours it actually took, just because of all the bumps. But so the next time you see this, we'll be doing a setup on it and some kind of other customization, just because, I got to do something to tweak it to make it my own. Thanks everybody for watching.
Bye, it was fun.
Never been a sinner, I never sinned. I got a friend in Jesus.